for it. It's all you.
Yeah, hi, it's Ace Leak Detection here. We're on a commercial pool today. This is what we call a vac pack system. This is where the water is filtered and then the pump pumps it back to the pool. Well, we have a broken main drain pipe here. I want you to take a look at this. I'm going to turn on the air pressure and take a look. Quite obviously a pipe rupture. So anyway, we're going to go ahead and expose this and see about repairing it. If you should develop a leak in your swimming pool, hot tub, fountain, or waterfall, don't forget about Ace Leak Detection. We've been here for 25 years. You can also go on our website, aceleakdetection.com, get our phone numbers and all that stuff. But anyway, yeah, today we're in Altamonte Springs, Florida. We travel all over Central and South Florida and the Caribbean. Thank you for watching.